In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone number in Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone. From the main screen, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. This is where you'll find all of your account options. Scroll down through the menu until you see Settings and Privacy, and open it. Next, select Settings. If you see a profile icon at the top right, tap it to make sure you're adjusting the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile. Inside Settings, look for Account Center. Tap See More in Account Center to open the area where Facebook and Instagram share your account details. This is important because Marketplace pulls your contact information from your Facebook account settings, and adding your number here ensures it's available when you list items or communicate with buyers. In Account Center, tap Personal Details. Then choose Contact Info on GIS Info. This page shows the phone numbers and emails connected to your account. Tap Add Mobile Number. You'll see a field where you can enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected, then type your number exactly as your carrier expects it. When you're ready, tap Next. Facebook will guide you through a quick verification process. Usually this means you'll receive a text message with a code. Enter that code when prompted to confirm that the number belongs to you. If you don't receive the code right away, wait a moment, check your signal and data connection, and look for any carrier filters that might block short code texts. You can request a new code if needed. Once the verification is complete, your phone number will be added to your account's contact info. That's all you need for Marketplace. When you create a listing, Facebook can use this verified number so buyers can reach you more easily, depending on the contact options you choose while listing. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you ever change your number, return to the same contact info page to update it so buyers don't reach an old line. Keep your device nearby during verification so you can enter the code quickly. And remember, you control how people can find or contact you on Facebook. If you want more privacy, review your privacy and discovery settings after adding your number to decide who can look you up by it. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number, so it's ready to use with Facebook Marketplace.